Dear students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Bhim. Today I will speak about the literary term sonnet. Sonnet is derived from a Italian word sonetto, which means a short poem. Um, Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. Um, it has a fixed rhyme scheme, and there are two types of sonnets, Petrarchan and Shakespearean sonnet. Petrarchan model of the sonnet was first of all used by Petrarch, an Italian writer. So the sonnet came to be known as this sonnet form came to be known as Petrarchan sonnet, and this sonnet form had two. Had 14 lines, and these 14 lines were divided into two parts. The first 8 lines were octave and the last 6 lines were sestet, and after the 8 lines there was a change of mood in the ninth line. The thought and idea of the poem was elaborated in the first 8 lines, and the last 6 lines brought the idea to conclusion, or there was provided solution in these 6 lines. The rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. This Petrarchan form is also known as form of classical form of sonnet. It was later used by Milton, so it is also known as Miltonic sonnet. Uh, the sonnet was brought it came uh, in existence in Italy. Then it was brought to England by Yarton Surrey. Yart used the form of the Petrarchan form of sonnet, in which there were two parts. The first 8 lines were octave and the last 6 lines were sestet part. And Surrey made some changes in this sonnet form. He used 3 quatrains of 4 lines, 3 quatrains of 4 lines each, and there were a couplet in the end, which was which consisted of 2 lines rhyming together. This sonnet form uh, in this sonnet form, the idea was discussed or explained in the 3 quatrains of the poem, and conclusion was brought in the last 2 lines, which is a couplet. So conclusion is brought in the last 2 lines. This sonnet form is also known as Shakespearean sonnet because Shakespeare later used this form, and it is also known as English form of sonnet because it became the standard form of English sonnet. The rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet or English sonnet is AB AB CD CD EF EF GG. Uh, thus, a sonnet form in this sonnet form There are two types of sonnet, Miltonic and Shakespearean sonnet, or we can say classical and English sonnet. Classical model has two parts in the sonnet. First octave, first 8 lines, and sestet, last 6 lines. And English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet had uh, three three quatrains of 4 lines each, and last 2 lines, which is a rhyming couplet. Thank you.